Hello and assalamu alaikum. So today I'm gonna review these power consumption meter. So these power consumption meter I got from Lidl recently, and you can see they were 30% off. So original price of these meters were £8, and with the discount I got them for £5.59. Originally I did not require that, but for fun's sake or um, because I'm an engineer maybe, or I understand electricity, so for curiosity's sake I got this, that how cool it would be. And few of the things which were mentioned actually on the back, that what you can do is that you can measure the power consumption, so basically how much it is consuming the electricity. Okay, so it shows at the spot the units in volts basically. So what is the voltage which is coming in your house, but in here in UK around, it's in Europe everywhere, it's around 240 volts. So you will see 240 volts, but the consumption is basically how much watt, because like when you are buying a bulb or something, you usually look at the wattage of that, or you get a microwave, you look at the power. So power is always in wattage. And just to give an example, so nowadays the modern energy saving LEDs and bulbs are usually 5 watt, 3 watt, 2 watt, very low consumption. Whereas if you talk about electric kettle, they are around 3000 watts or 4000 watts. Microwave come from 700 watts, 800 watts, 900 watts, 1000 watts. Usually most of the microwaves, the normal range ones, are 800 or 900 watts. That's why if you look at the recipe as well, if you have to warm up some meal, they have different settings, that if you have higher power microwave, warm it for 2 minutes. If it is low powered, warm it for 3 minutes. Similarly, just to give you an idea. So this was quite fun for me. I've been playing with it now, so I got two of them as I showed you, and I got it on 559, so I was happy. And today actually I got it, like it's been 1 week since I got it, but today I opened it up. And the best thing which I found is also that like you can put the cost of the unit, your unit cost, and then it will tell you the price as well, the consumption price, that how much this device has consumed when you install this into the socket. So for now, of course, I just open it up, it doesn't show any price, but one thing which I'm doing is to check how much consumption is there. So there is my son laptop, so he was sitting there, and what I would do is just to show you that how it works. So simple thing, and just before, so it's a simple thing with the socket, and there is only one input, one output. So this will go in the wall plug. This will, whatever appliance you want to connect, you'll connect here, and this is the screen which will show you the unit. And the thing is that it's movable. So this is from Lidl, and the price is quite good, to be honest. So if you put it like this, because that's how it should be better. Okay, so I have put it, and as soon as I turn on the switch, you can see it's showing the voltage. So the voltage, usually in Pakistan, it's 220 volts we call it. In Pakistan, all the appliances, we ideally want them to 220, but it varies from 220 to 230. Ideal voltage if Wapta is not having fun with you. And if you press the mode button, then it shows the wattage. So right now nothing is connected here, so it's showing 0. And what other thing before, if you click on this up button, it shows you the kilowatt hour. So this will show you the total consumption, per hour consumption, by which you get charged. So when you get the electricity bill, so this is the kilowatt hour, they tell you that this much electricity you have consumed. But this will start once you plug it in, and if you keep it plugged in, then it will show you the rating after maybe some time. And this is the total cost, that since you plugged in, so I just plugged in, so since then I've not consumed anything, so it's 0. And this is the cost, kilowatt hour. So once 1 kilowatt hour you have utilized, so I've set it to 60 pence. I don't know the consumption, the unit price yet. By default it came as like a one unit, like £1, you can say, or whatever one you want to say. But that's the thing, like if in Pakistan your unit cost is, suppose, I don't know what the unit cost is, it's 200 rupees right now, so you cannot do that, because there is only two spaces here and 2 spaces after the decimal point. So you need to play with it, or you can do it 200 and just remember that okay, there 1 decimal point, it is moved, it is shifted. So now and you can set this, you can change the unit cost price as well. So now the main thing is, okay, so let's resume, sorry. And so this is the socket for my laptop, and I wanted to see how much power consumption is there. So I have to put it in. Oh, sorry, I should have moved it here in to the wattage, so that how much wattage consumption it is. So right now my son laptop screen is off, but it is turned on. He just went somewhere. So it's using 50 watt. Yeah, so it's stable at 50.4 based on that. And this is the laptop. So if I turn on the screen, so does it change? Let's see. It seems to be same, 50.3, 50.4. And what we can try to do is to unplug the charger from the laptop, and let's see how much consumption it would be. So you can see it's dropping and it's 0. So basically, if your laptop charger is unplugged, so it's showing that there is no consumption, whereas there should be a little bit consumption because it still is turned on and the transformer is there. But yeah, it is very minimal that it's not being able to pick it up. And my son plugged it back in, and suddenly you see that the current starts to flow, the circuit is complete, and 48.6, 51.4. So why 51.4? Because during that time the laptop got discharged a little bit, and at once it comes back to the normal. So around 50 watt is the consumption of this laptop is. And just to play around, because this is all I have done actually, I've been playing with this for last half hour. So I've got this nice little lamp over here, a Turkish lamp or Moroccan lamp, and let's see if I don't know how much the bulb's wattage is. Without opening, I can see, so it's 11 watt. So I think so each bulb in this, there are 2 bulbs, one in both of the globes, and they must be 5.5 watt. So because it's showing as 11. So this is something nice. And one of the most interesting thing which I've recently found, and as I started playing with this, that in the ads or in the videos you usually see from your electricity supplier, that please turn off the TV from the switch, from the socket, even if you are not watching it. And I just checked the consumption of this TV, which is 65 inch. It is 65-inch TV, and when even the screen is turned off, the consumption which this meter was showing was around 10 watts. So even if you're not watching the TV and it's like in the sleep mode, okay, you have turned off from the remote but not from the socket, it will be consuming around 10 watts of electricity. So which is quite high, which is equivalent to almost these 2 bulbs. And if they are efficient bulbs like this, which are LED based, it's six bulbs actually right now. So this is quite an astonishing fact, and I really like the meter, this device. I really enjoyed it, and this is good to check the things. I was thinking that I will keep one and return the other, but after enjoying with this, I think I'm gonna keep both of them. And this one from Lidl comes up with a warranty as well. I read somewhere there is a warranty as well, where it was mentioned 1 year or 2 year warranty with this device. Maybe it's in the it's in its manual. So that is all what I wanted to show. Hope you like the video. If you like, please do subscribe and share, and if you have any comment, let me know. Just to tell you, if you have something similar, how you change the cost price. So if you go back here, it's showing the cost right now. So right now it's and 60 pence. If you want to change, keep pressing the mode button for a little while and it start blinking. So you can set this one. If you once you have set this, you can go to the next one. You can set it by pressing this up button. Go to the next one. I want to change, suppose I want to make it 70 pence, so it will be 70. I go to the next one and I want to keep it like this, and that's it. So the price is set. So now the price will be 70 pence per hour. So I don't know what the my cost price is. I will check that, but I'm gonna end my video here. Hope you like the video. If you like, please do subscribe and share, and if you have any comment, let me know. Otherwise, if you get a chance in UK to go to lidl, I don't know if they are still available. It's a good handy thing to keep. I will check some other devices as well, and I'll check like my internet device, how much that consumes. Some devices you cannot control, like 10 watts is not that much, but once you can compare it to the consumption of microwave, that was like 900 watts. I checked the air fryer was coming around 1800 watts on that particular mode which I was running it, and the electric kettle was 37 3700, so 3700 watts. So of course electricity consumed by electric kettle is quite a lot, because it need to warm up quite quickly. So that I end my video over here. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum.